consider the line. In most of furniture, it is a statement of efficiency, straight, unwavering, declaring a clear boundary. But in nature, the line is rarely so rigid. It curves around a tree trunk, flows with a hill's contour, bends with the path of a river. There is a profound comfort in the curve, a suggestion of embrace, of movement, of organic life. To bring this principle into our living spaces with a creatively curved wooden bench is to invite a different kind of presence into a room or garden. It is to choose an object that doesn't just provide seating but shapes the space, guides movement, and offers a sheltering arc to conversation and contemplation. The magic begins with the wood's own potential for flow. Unlike rigid metal or static stone, wood possesses a memory of growth, an innate willingness to be persuaded into a gentle arc through steam bending or the careful selection of grain. A bench crafted from a single white slab of walnut, for instance, might retain natural, undulating edge of the tree itself. Its curve not manufactured but revealed, a frozen moment of the tree's shape. The seed follows this organic line, creating a bench that feels less built and more discarded, as if it grew exactly there just for sitting. The grain sweeps along the curve, drawing the eye on a slow journey from one end to another, highlighting the wood's own narrative. Then there is the deliberate sculptural curve. Imagine a bench where the seat and the back are formed from many thin layers of wood, laminated together and bent around a fork to create a smooth, seamless crescent. This is the curve of intention, of human artistry, mimicking natural form. It might be a shallow, welcoming C shape that gently encloses a small fireside grouping, fostering intimacy without enclosure. Or it could be a deeper, more dramatic swoop, a sinuous serpentine line that seems to move even as it sits still. A piece of functional sculpture for a garden path or a modern foyer. This kind of curve feels both ancient and futuristic, a nod to the artisan's skill and the material's flexibility. The context awakened by a curved bench is transformative. Placed against a straight wall, it softens the hard corner of a room, creating a cozy, sheltered nook that a straight bench could never achieve. In the center of a space, it defines an area without building a wall, its shape naturally drawing people together, facing inward. In a garden, a curved bench following the perimeter of a flower bed or a pond doesn't just face the view, it hugs it, offering a panoramic embrace of the scenery. It becomes a destination that frames the experience of sitting within it. The choice of wood deepens the dialogue. A curve rendered in light, airy ash or maple feels playful and open, like a sunbeam giving solid form. The same curve in rich, dark mahogany or teak feels grand and solemn, a throne for quiet thought. For a more rustic texture feel, a bench made from curved, rough-sawn cedar logs retains the bark and the robust, untamed spirit of the forest. Its curve following the natural bend of the limb. Each material makes the same shape sing a different song. But perhaps the most creative applications consider the curve as a functional storyteller. A bench that goes around the base of a large beloved tree, becoming part of its ecosystem. A low winding bench for children that mimics a friendly caterpillar or a meandering stream, inviting play. A bench whose high curved back rises and falls like a rolling hill, offering pockets of privacy within a single shared seat. These are ideas that let the form follow not just function but fantasy and feeling. Ultimately, a creatively curved wooden bench is an antidote to the right angle. It is a reminder that our bodies, our conversations, and our minds do not travel in straight lines. We arc toward each other. We seek shelter in embraces. This bench, in its graceful wooden sweep, accommodates all of that. It is a place to sit that feels like a subtle invitation to relax, to connect, to let your gaze follow the line it draws. A line that does not lead to a dead end, but back to the beginning. As always, I'm curious to know which kind of curve speaks to you. Is it the organic found in nature curve of a live edge slab, the sleek sculptural curve of a laminated artistry? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.